Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a weight set for calibrating scales and stuff. I'm going to show you guys what we've got here. So it comes with the tweezers to pick it up with. And then we have our little baggie of weights. So let's see how these are. My scale just broke, so I can't show you the exacts on it, but I will take these into the office and use them there. But we can see, look how pretty these are. And this is a 20 gram we have. We have a 10 gram. I'm gonna get us 5. Yes. And probably a 2 and a 1. Let's see. Well, I don't even know if it says it on there. Oh yeah, it does say a 2 on there. And then a 1. And a 1. So we got 1, 2, 5, 10, 20. So we can pretty much make most any little configuration we want out of those. So how cool is that? So very nice little weight set. And I will put in the comments, well, actually, these are nice. I'm going to say that, but then I will put in the comments if for some reason the weights don't line up or anything, but these are super nice, and they've been drilled out on the bottom to make it fit if it wasn't the correct weight. I think they've adjusted them appropriately. So super cool. Thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.